Hey coders, confused about choosing between a full-blown IDE and Visual Studio Code? Today, I'll break down what each one is, compare them, and help you decide which is best for your projects. Let's dive in. An integrated development environment, or an IDE, is a powerful all-in-one tool for coding. Think Visual Studio, IntelliJ IDEA, or Eclipse. It's like a Swiss Army knife for developers, packing a code editor, debugger, compiler, and project management tools. IDEs are built for specific languages or frameworks, offering deep integration like Visual Studio for C# or Python for Python. They're robust but can feel heavy and complex, especially for beginners. Visual Studio Code, or VS Code, is a lightweight open-source code editor from Microsoft. It's super customizable with thousands of extensions supporting virtually any language. JavaScript, Python, Go, you name it. Out of the box, it's a sleek editor with Git integration but adds extensions, and it mimics IDE features like debugging or linting. It's fast, cross-platform, and perfect for mixed tech projects. So, how do they stack up? IDEs shine for large language-specific projects like C# apps in Visual Studio, offering out-of-the-box tools and reliability, but they're resource-heavy and less flexible. VS Code is leaner, faster, and ideal for web development or multi-language workflows, though it does need setup for full IDE functionality. Choose IDEs for enterprise-grade projects and pick VS Code for speed and versatility. There you have it, guys. IDEs for heavy-duty specialized coding and VS Code for lightweight, flexible workflows. Check out our comparison charts below and let us know your picks in the comments. Happy coding!